Welcome to Excel tutorial by State Modular. Today I am going to explain two methods of creating histogram in Excel and its conclusion. So let's begin. Here you can see histogram on your screen. It is widely used to summarize and classify the data. So now let us move ahead with the data. Here I have taken the data of students' result. From this data we will conclude number of things, which are number 1, number of students with higher grade, that is above 90%. Number 2, to classify the students based on their grade levels. Number 3, to analyze grade in which maximum number of students appear to conclude students' result. Now we quickly move ahead with method number 1, right? So first select number of observations or a data range, then go to insert tab. Here a section of chart is available. In that select statistics group. Under it select histogram. So here we have our histogram in just two simple steps. To make histogram more informative, we will add titles to it. Then to add axis titles, click on doctor symbol and select axis titles. Now rename titles to Now to modify number of bins, select grade intervals, then go to axis options. Now select number of bins and modify it to 10. You can also modify decimal places as well. Now it's time to add data labels to bin. So first select bins, click on doctor symbol and select data label. So here it is the end of our method number 1. Now let us proceed for method number 2. Before jump to method number 2, you need to do setup for data analysis tool in Excel. So let first complete this setup. First check data analysis tool under data tab is active in your system or not. If not, do it by following this. Go to file menu, select options. Under it select add-ins. Now on right side of the window select analysis toolpack and click on go. New pop-up window will appear. Select analysis toolpack and click on OK. Data analysis tool is active now. Here the table you can see is input requirements for method number 2. You need to arrive it from the data. Refer theory link provided below to the video section to understand how to arrive it. To proceed with method number 2, go to data tab, select data analysis tool. Under it select histogram and click on OK. It will ask for input and output criteria. So here input range is our data range. So select our data range. Bin range is our bin intervals. So here select bin intervals. Then click on labels as we want our histogram with labels. Now in output range select cell range where you want your output. Another option to select is chart output as we want output as a chart. Now click on OK. We have two output here. One is calculation and another is chart. You can see more option with zero frequency. We will remove it from table as we do not have any data point more than 100 in our data. Come to the chart. Here you can see gap between bins, but histogram does not have gap between bins. So to remove gap, double click on bins. Under series option, make gap to 0. Here we completed both method of creating histogram in Excel. Now it's time to conclude it. From the histogram, we can easily conclude that out of total students, 25 students have grade more than 90%. Here we can also classify students based on their grade levels. That is 43 students have grade between 40 to 50, 58 students have grade between 50 to 60 and so on. To answer to third question, we can summarize that 144 students arrive grade between 70 to 80, which has highest number of students appear. So friends, in this tutorial we cover two methods of creating histogram and its conclusion. We would like to request for your feedback. Join us on YouTube for such videos. Thanks for watching.